Hello, my name is Chef Erich Ogle, culinary instructor here at the Kemmons Culinary Institute at the University of Memphis. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to dice tomatoes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half through the roots, two halves. Next thing, I'm going to trim the ends, serve these. I'm going to peel the halves. Trim. Alright. Now that we have our onions halved and peeled, move my onions to the edge of the board. Make a series of cuts. Through the onion this way, across the onion this way. So, by varying the width of these cuts will produce different size dice. Small dice, medium dice, large. So we'll start with a small dice. Push. Hold on. Push. Now I'm going to come about in this way. One of the things that I'm doing with this is I'm making sure that I'm not cutting all the way through the onion so that the root end will hold everything together nicely for me. Back across to produce our small dice. So, small dice. For medium dice, same technique. This half is a little smaller, so I'm going to make one cut. Cuts through are a little bit larger. Again, so, produce our medium dice. There we go. Grab another onion. We're going to produce a large piece. I'm going to peel the paper from the onion and cut it in half. Trim the ends. Peel. Now for our large dice, process is exactly the same. Keep cuts, bring it to the edge of the board. Cut, of course, this is going to vary on the size of the onion. Produce our large dice. Same with this. Our large dice, medium dice.